Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Cooking with Homebrew. Yes, I'm making spicy beer chicken wings today with some of the beer that I've made. So here we go, what do we got? We've got some garlic powder, onion powder, that's paprika, and some salt. Also need a bit of sugar, brown sugar, and some butter, and chicken wings. Very good, that's everything. No, it's not, I've got to get a beer as well. So this is my English bitter that I made fairly recently, and this is sort of one for me, one for you. Need about a bottle of that, and good. Alright, ready to get started. Let's see what we do. Okay, first thing, convert stupid Fahrenheit to metric because the recipe was written in American, and I need to preheat the oven to 175 degrees. Now I'm getting my brine ready, which is a tablespoon of salt, and this is a tablespoon of the sugar, and as well as that, the beer goes in here. So, as I said, it's the English bitter that I made fairly recently. Should be nice and tasty. In that goes, and now I'm gonna have a bit of a beer break and then mix it all around. And into this goes my chicken wings, and the recipe says use 12 chicken wings, which should weigh 2 pounds, but I ended up getting 11 because that's what I had, and it ended up weighing 1.5 kilograms, which is nearly twice that. Anyway, this goes in the fridge for half an hour, and I guess this goes back to you, Jonah, to play with. So there you go. Okay, now next thing, I'm getting sort of the spicy stuff ready. So this is 1 teaspoon and a half of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon and hang on, yeah, this is difficult. Now I'm spilling it. This is the paprika. I need a teaspoon and a half of paprika. Trying different techniques. Real professional here at Fast Home Brew. I know how to measure things and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, getting there nearly. Yep, made a bit of a mess. That's okay. And this is the. This looks like it's going to be just as bad. No, not quite. This is onion powder, teaspoon and a half of that as well. So those are my little flavourings, I guess. Just put a bit more of that on. Why not? I don't mind a bit of spice. And yeah, we're all good. So that's that bit done. Now I need 1/4 cup of butter. So I'm just sort of using my powers of spatial whatever to measure that. And oh yeah, did I mention the spicy red sauce? You need sauce for this. So that's another 1/4 cup. So 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of delicious spicy sauce, and I'm going to melt that down and sort of bring it to a little bit of a simmer. That's going to be the sauce. Okay, the chicken's been doing its thing for half an hour. It's been brining. It's brined. Brun? I don't know. Anyway, mix them, get them all spread out on my tray here, and I'm going to rub some of this spicy goodness into them. There we go. They all get a bit of a rub there. Nice wings. And then I'll just do the other sides and get the last bits, and now we just drizzle all over the saucy stuff that is all melted and good there. So that's all covering the wings. This is looking pretty good. Not much sauce, but I guess I've got heaps of chicken compared to what I'm supposed to have. Those are going in the oven. That goes in there for half an hour. I'll see you in half an hour. Right. Okay, half an hour has passed. Now, we have, let's have a look at it here. This is pretty hot. So being very careful with my totally unsuitable tea towel, and let's make sure the chicken's cooked because you don't want to bug around with chicken. And I reckon that can go in there for another 10 minutes. I won't be too upset. So back you go, and 10 minutes back on the clock. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright, chicken's done, winner, and we're going to sit down here by the fire. There's Max, he's a good dog. Sit down, got my beer. I think I'm on my 4th beer now, and wow, these are hot, but let's see if I can get into one, coming apart there, and yes, these are delicious. This is awesome. Yeah, I don't know what to say. These are great. They're quite garlicky, really nice and hot, but absolutely, these guys get 2 thumbs up. So there you go. I'm definitely going to make these again. These are the best. There's a lot of them. Maybe next time. Maybe I'll do another video again soon with different kinds of beer. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Enjoy some wings. Oh my god. 1.5 kilos of chicken wings is too much. Oh man. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, but they're so good. They're so good.